Hey, it's Boudreaux Eunice on call. How y'all are today? Well, guess what we done? Me and Miss Missy. Say hi, Miss Missy.
Hi.
Say hello. Alright. Well, we had some Garfish patties in the freezer that Missy made a while back. And we had some shrimp for Lent. Friday, this past Friday, it's Lent. So she cut some shrimp up real fine and mixed it in with the Garfish patties. And she's mixing it up right now. And we're going to make some shrimp and Garfish patties. And last Friday, we did the seafood thing. Now she's gonna add a little bit of breadcrumbs in there. And we got the egg and milk wash right there. Got some flour and stuff.
Flour.
Got some more in there. Flour and a little bit of cornmeal. Breadcrumbs.
Yeah.
No, yeah, flour and
Breadcrumbs.
breadcrumbs. Yeah, not cornmeal. Breadcrumbs. Alright, she's gonna make a patty right there. And I hope it comes out better than that last video I did when I had the frozen Garfish patties.
Oh, like that?
Remember that video I made a while back when I was trying to fry some Garfish patties? And they broke up?
Not this one.
Yeah, this one won't break up.
Because of the breadcrumbs.
I think I got this thing that I thought I had it to focus right, but it's not. Waiting on a cable, USB cable to come in for some more videos in the future. Some friends of ours, some fans of ours. Pudding Tang. Yeah, giving you a shout out, Pudding Tang. That's gonna make quite a few right there. Alright, I think Miss Missy needs another plate to put that on. Nope, she's just gonna set it on the side. That'll work. Yeah, gotta be smarter than what you're working with, that's for sure. Go, we're gonna make another one. That's the only bad thing about doing it on this right here. When you move it around, it doesn't focus right. So, oh yeah. Pampa breadcrumbs, that's what we're using tonight.
Gotta wash your hands.
And then you gotta wash your hands every time. Yeah. You gotta wash your hands every time. That way it doesn't make a big old mess. Well, look. After this, right here, when I download this, we're gonna start heating the grease up. And we'll holler at y'all. Plutot.